What's up, Glam Squad? It's your girl Nish here again with some new stuff to show you. Y'all, I did a thing. Guys, IconSwim came out with clothing. Yes, they did. Hey y'all, welcome back. Yes, IconSwim came out with clothing and I did buy some pieces. Okay, I already told y'all. Maybe I didn't, but I swear if I did already tell y'all that if they came out with clothing, I would totally wear it. Here's the thing, they came out with the clothing maybe like 2 weeks ago at the most, but they started adding pieces in little by little, you know what I mean? Just dropping little hints here and there, like bloop, bloop, bloop. I don't think they fully came out with like a full wardrobe up until like now. So I'm at work, you know what I mean, trying to do my job or whatever, and I get an email saying that they're having a $15 sale. Being the shopaholic bird that I am, you know, I had to just, you know, cop some stuff right quick so I can show you guys. That's how I reason a lot of my online shopping, is I'm buying it for you guys, just to make myself feel better. Don't tell anybody. But yes, honestly and truly, I did not really see anything on the website I liked that much. But also too, a lot of their outfits were they look kind of sometimey in a way where it's like, if I buy this, it looks like it could be a hit or miss, honestly. Not to sound judgmental, but what in the hell does IconSwim know about clothes when they sell swimwear? So I purchased 3 items because they were $15 and I had to get them quick because like I said, I was at work. I didn't want to miss the $15 sale. I got scared, I got nervous. I had to protect. Okay, shorty doo-wops came in packages like this. IconSwim so damn cheap, they never give me a damn box to ship the items in. It's always some kind of gray UPS bag. But whatever, honey, whatever gets shipped to my house anyways. First item I bought here was like this yellow dress. String dress. Okay, and the next item I bought was this like 2-piece pant set, and it's like sweatpants, like a cuffed at the bottom, but this is a crop top sweater top, no hoodie, just a drawstring pull. So it's a cropped fit. Silica or Silica. Bought the same thing, another 2-piece set. It's the same thing, just a different color. I like loungewear. Just in case you didn't know, let's try these on. Woo! Okay, so this is a gray loungewear set that I picked up with the little drawstring, like I said. It's really cute. Off rip, I noticed that it's like sort of high-waisted because if I try to pull it down, I have a little crotchy. I don't want a little crotchy. So I guess as high-waisted it goes. This is a size large and it's kind of tight. I feel like it's meant for slim girls. Girls with a little less meat on their bones. If this is a large, I can't imagine what an extra large will look like on somebody. I raised my arm and my boob kept trying to pop out and be seen. Yeah. But I just used a little drawstring, tightened it, and now we're balling. This John got pockets, okay? I wouldn't put my phone in it. Feels like it would fall out, but this is cute. This is very cute. All right, so this is a burnt orange in the same set like I told you. Yeah, same shit, different color. Let me give you guys a little spin. I like this one. I think I might get it in black, but I wasn't sure because, you know, not everything looks good in black, even though everything looks good in black. This dress isn't bad, honestly. The pattern stresses me out just a little bit. I think it's still cute. Typical night out at the club. You know what I mean? It has these little pull strings to cinch the dress, but I think it's cinched just fine. I got this in a size large. Majority of my clothes are large. I think I explained to you guys why in my Shein video. Let me give you guys a little spin. Well done, Icon, well done. These clothes, I don't know. These clothes are honestly, I would give them a B. This point, I don't know if I would buy Icon clothing again. That's my opinion. I'm not telling y'all not to buy from them. Y'all know Icon swimwear could never do me a wrong or an injustice. I have at least 50 bathing suits by them, but I don't know. Also, too, I have a question for y'all. Who the hell is JNK? Like, who is them folks? And Sabora? I don't remember them being at the cookout, but clearly y'all get that this is an overseas company that's probably partnering with Icon Swimwear to sell their clothing. It's probably like a wholesale thing, whatever. But I don't know, guys. I myself would buy select things from there. I don't know if I'm gonna find the latest club jump off from Icon. If it's loungewear, you got me sold. If it's a bathing suit, you got me sold. If it's a cover up, you may even got me there. But as far as clothing goes, I think I'm gonna stick to Shein. If you are still here at the end of this video, thank you for watching. Thank you for coming. Like always, like, comment, subscribe, and share. Bye, GlamSquad.